Hello children, today we will learn drawing in our drawing book. Let's come on start with me. First of all, take your drawing book, open the page number 4. Open the page number 4. It is a lantern. In this lantern, we use crayons and make dot. Okay, we make dot. We use green color, we use red color, we use purple color and brown color for this lantern. Now start with me. First of all, we take this portion. In this portion, here given us green color. So we take green color and make dots. Watch me and do it. Do it very proper. Like this. Make dots in all this portion. Use green color for it. Now this portion we take brown color for it. So fill brown dot in this part. Very carefully. Finish. Now this portion. So here given us purple color. So take purple color and make dot here. Do it very proper, very carefully. Make dots. Now this portion, this part, we have use green color. We are using green color for this part. Let's do it. Watch me and do it. This portion is finished. Now in this part we use brown color. Finish. Now in this part we use purple color. Make it very carefully. Do it proper. Now this part we take red color for this part, which are given in this portion. So we use red color for it. Now this portion. Here also we use red color. Now this ribbon. Here we use brown color. Now second ribbon. In second ribbon we use purple color. In third ribbon, we use green color. Now fourth ribbon. In it we use red color. Red color. Our colorful lantern is ready. Thank you.